Hello everyone. Welcome to the SMA show, the Kishore Kumar special. I'm your host Manasi Hedao and I'm a Hindustani vocal and grow with music teacher at Shankar Mahadevan Academy. It's a pleasure to have you here with us today as we celebrate the glorious career of Kishore Da and his music that was the voice of almost every hero of Bollywood for over 4 decades and captured millions of hearts and became the voice of an entire generation. The power in his voice, its contemporariness, and the sheer joy and energy it echoed with worked wonders. He was, in effect, the voice of the young at heart, and there was always so much fun in his singing. So today we celebrate his music and appreciate his work of art through an entire tribute segment to Kishore Kumar and his music, along with a medley of Kishore Kumar's songs performed by the teachers and students of SMA. Here is Shankar Mahadevan on the SMA tribute segment of Kishore Kumar.
Well, when I heard Kishore Kumar for the first time, uh, well, the kind of impact that his voice had on my life, it cannot be described by way of a few words. It just opened up a completely new dimension in singing, in voice quality, in projection, emotion, and overall, like, I realized that this is the voice of the Indian film hero. So that was my first reaction. Well, that's an interesting question. Yeah, you are right that more than often Kishore Kumar does. His songs were with straight notes and not getting into very very complex patterns the way he rendered it. But though there are a few songs where he has sung some intricate melodies like Kuch To Log Kahenge, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना. This is an intricate melody. But yeah, it is the way he approached a melody. That was what is interesting about Kishore Kumar. I'll give you many examples. I can cite many examples. For example, a song like इस मोड़ से जाते हैं is how Lata ji has sung it, which is beautiful. But also Kishore Da has sung it. इस मोड़ से जाते हैं. So it is the confidence. It is that you put your style out there very strongly, and you know that it is going to be effective. That is the confidence that Kishore Kumar had. So many songs like Hame Tumse Pyar Kitna, where Begum Parveen Sultana ji has sung it so intricately with all the harkats and everything. But Kishore Da has sung it so simply with minimal inflections and keeping the notes straight. And the beauty about Kishore Kumar is when he used to hit a note. I always discuss this with a few of my colleagues, that if the spectrum of a note is this much between sa and re, if the spectrum of, say for example, the note madhyam is this wide, his pitching used to be in the center of that. So that is how it used to be, so bang on perfect. And there is something which is beyond music, beyond lyrics, beyond rhythm, beyond just the technicalities of music, something that is that goes straight into your soul, and that quality Kishore Kumar had, which you can only get from above. Well, Kishore Kumarji's contribution to a romantic song, his own contribution, his interpretation of a song was amazing. I mean, he used to take a simple melody and just raise it to the next bar, and totally what the melody demanded. He used to mold his voice. He could make the song sung in a complete whisper. Like for example, a song like "छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा." The whole song he sung in a whisper. And if you see a masti wala song like "Hey Jawani, Ye Diwani," full throated masti, and all kinds of. Or if you see a song like "हम थे वो थे और समा रंगीन समझ गए ना," different voice modulations, different voice textures. It's like you cannot believe it's the same person singing all these songs. Or for that matter, a song like "Chingari Koi Bhadke" or "Kuch To Log Kahenge" or "Kehna." I mean, the list is endless. So depending on what the song demanded, he used to just mold his voice accordingly. It was a magical voice. I mean, it was pure magic, nothing else. Kishore Kumar was not only a singer, he was an actor, he was a producer, he was a director, he was a music composer. So all these facets of filmmaking were, a part of his repertoire, and all that he used to, an actor's emotion, a lyricist's, depiction of a song, probably, what the scene demanded. All those things he used to enact a song. He was an actor in a song. So that's why all these various emotions of sadness, happiness, craziness, inspiration, melancholy, everything was part of Kishore Kumar, and he used to just render them effortlessly, just effortlessly, and you could see that it was a natural phenomenon for him. He need not have to think too much. I remember somebody telling me that in one of the in one of the songs where he sang the Mukhra, and then there was a huge music part. He used to, when the entire orchestra, of course, those days, 100 musicians used to play together. The entire orchestra, when they are playing, he used to get out of this cabin, come and dance with the musicians over there. And in time, he used to come back, running back into this cabin, shut his door, and he was ready for the antara. So, and in a song like "Khai Ke Pan Banaras Wala," he requested that everybody has to, eat pan, or come in a Banarasi outfit. So he had that craziness in him and passion towards the music, because he was fully into it, and that showed in his songs. There is one regret in my life, that I could not meet Kishore Kumar. And for me, Kishore Da was one of the biggest inspirations. And I think singing wise, if you want the top 10 singers, I would rate him to be the top 10. And then, all others, they follow. So for me, he was that great. Just because he was a natural, his singing was sincere, no pretense. He just did it very naturally. In fact, even if it is a sad song, he used to, if you realize, if you carefully listen to his songs, he used to never over emote. Just because it's a sad song, just crying, nothing like that. He used to just render it straight with and the emotion used to come from the heart, not not gimmicks that are used in the voice. It used to come straight from the heart, and you just hear that, zindagi ka safar hai ye kaisa safar. All these songs, when you hear Mera Jeevan Kora Kagaz, all these songs when you hear, I mean, it just, the emotions that evokes in every person is just unbelievable. So if I would have had a chance to work with Kishore Da, I think I would have made him sing a zillion songs for sure.
लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना। वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी, ये शाम भी अजीब है। आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है, गाता रहे मेरा दिल। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन। मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना। हो मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू। चलिया तू चलिया, ये जवानी है दीवानी, हट मेरी रानी रुक जाओ रानी, देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के, चली कहाँ ऐसे उड़ के। ओ मेरे हमसफर, प्यार की राह पर साथ चले हम, मगर क्या खबर के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी, और हम नाचे बिन घुंघरू के। मैं हूँ झुम 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 झुमरू पकड़ घुंघरू बन के घूमूं मैं, ये प्यार का गीत सुनाता चला। हो मंजिल पे मेरी नजर, मैं दुनिया से बेखबर, बीती बातों पे धूल उड़ाता चला। अरे कैसा सीधा साधा, मैं कैसा भोला भाला, जाने कौन घड़ी में पड़ गए पढ़े लिखों से पाला। मीठी छुरी से हुआ हला, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, ओ छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। गरे सा सारे गमा, गमा पामा गमा गरे निसा, गमा पामा गमा गरे निसा, गमा पामा गमा गरे निसा।
Also, make sure to subscribe to Shankar Mahadevan Academy YouTube channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated and never miss an episode. Also, follow us on all our social media pages. Link is in the description. This is your host, Manasi Hedau, signing off for Shankar Mahadevan Academy. Namaste.